Hello everyone, this is Kingsley from KingspetDesigns. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create an amazing realistic 3D logo with using CorelDraw X7. Without waste of time, we are going to start right away. First I'm going to I'll pick my eclipse tool, just draw an eclipse, a perfect circle like this. Then I'm going to now draw something like that looks like an oval shape. Then when I'm going to place it something like this, need it to be a little bit bigger, should be this way. Then let me reduce this part a little, the top. I think this way should be okay. Now going to create another, sorry, I have to duplicate it. Now we now have this now, the way like this now. So the next thing I'm going to do is to apply audio fill to this particular logo. And remember, as it is now, I have not there's no logo and color added to it yet, so it's just I'm going to start applying all the whole colors and applying all the whole shade to this particular logo. You are going to see how I'm going to transform this into a wonderful, good looking logo right away. Okay, first of all, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to pick smart fill tool. When I pick smart fill tool, I'll ensure this side, maybe I want this side, let's say I want it gray color, so I'm click on this. No, it's too dark. Okay, let's say okay. Then same thing with this side, let me just give them that way. Now the next thing I'm going to do is, maybe let me get, sorry, red color should go here. Same thing here, the red color goes, then here too goes for the red, and this top too goes for the red. So this looks as if this logo is actually going through, is covering the circle entirely, but we are not yet done with this because you can see all the whole breaking, how it goes. So this is where we start applying the whole effects to it. This side will look as if it's transparent. Can do away with it, it's no longer needed, that part of that circle. Now on this, now this is what you're going to do. Select this side together with this side and this side. You can see by the time I drag it out, it looks as if it's one image. That's how I actually want this to be. I'm going to return it back to its usual position. Then what I'm going to do is to weld them together so that they are going to be one. Now on this part, I think I was having another fill here, so I will do away with that. Check, trying to get if there's any other fill there. Okay, now on this, I'm going to select this side together with this and weld them together. So you now see how the beauty is now coming out. So from here, I'll just select this whole part, drag it out. Now do away with this. You can now delete the whole of this work. Now from here, we just select this and return it back to the center, my printable page. Now next thing I'm going to do is to work on the color. You know, as it is not right now, it is just like a 2D logo that I'm having here, but I actually need it to be a 3D, so I'm going to add some 3D effects to it. no, sorry, going to pick my extrude tool, then extrude this a little bit downward. Just wanted to have a little effect. Yeah. I just needed this effect to be on this particular image. Now let me see if I should know. It's going to deter it, so let me just leave it this way. Now the next thing I'm going to do on the extrude, I'm going to break them apart. Come to object, break extrude apart, so they are differently on their own. Now you can see the extrude diagram is different from what we are having, so we can ungroup them, so you now have them differently. So the next thing I'm going to do is to apply audio 3D effects to this now, to the entire wall. Now first of all, let me start with the shading of this side. Now I'm going to come, okay, let me start with this. I'm going to apply 3D effect. I'm going to make use of this, drag this here, let me drag this here. Now take this here. Now what I'm going to do on this side, I'm going to give it a darker, then now you can work on yours. Just want, I need the whites to show more. Now same thing I'm going to do to this, just to apply a little so that, okay, I think the blending here is okay to this side. Now on this other part, I'm going to apply same kind of shading to it, so I'm just going to do the same way, apply to this, but this time around I'm going to make this side, I think leaving it like this is okay for me. Okay, let me leave it like this. Alright, same thing applied here. What I'm going to do, click on this side, then copy the fill of this side to it, but this time around I'm going to make the upper part a little bit darker and the lower part do it this way. Let it look as if the light ray is coming from down. It's coming downwards. So to be like this. See, the light ray is coming from this side. So now I'm trying to work with the direction of the light. So same thing here. Same copy fill. Copy this fill to it. Same thing with this side. Now the light ray, this goes darker. Same thing with this side. Let me just copy the fill of this side to it, and also here copy the fill of this side to it. Now the next thing you are going to see, we're looking at this now. It's just already just for me to do away with the whole hairlines of it, part of it. Now just click out the hairlines, so you can now see how I've succeeded in creating this logo from. Now let me just give it okay. You can see how it is now, how the entire work is now after. Now you can now see how I've been able to create this particular logo from this tutorial. Okay, in case you enjoyed this particular section of this tutorial, I say you should like this video, share this video, and in case you've not yet subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe so that you get more videos as soon as I upload, and also ensure you click on the notification button so that that's on the bell, so that you get to be informed first whenever I upload new videos. Also ensure if you have any question concerning any part of my designs, or any designs you want me to do, any tutorial you want me to work on, you can drop it in the comment box below. Alright, until next time, ensure you stay tuned and watch other two videos and learn from. Thank you.